everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Cook It. In today's episode we're going to make a special meal. It's called Chateaubriand. Yes, it's can be done for romantic dinner, can be done for special occasion or any gathering for 5 people. Now for this meal, for this special meal, required some work, and you probably wonder, what do I have here? This is the center cut of the tenderloin. So I wrap it in antibacterial cloth, and it's been aging for 4 days in the fridge. And look at that beautiful piece of meat. Coarse salt and pepper on the board. Now I'm gonna add a little bit thyme, dry thyme, the Chateaubriand, and you're gonna roll it, and that's how you get perfect coating all over the steak. And the work here is not done yet. When you have a piece of meat like this, you have to treat it with respect. You put the meat on the rack and you do not cover it, and ready to go in the fridge for at least 8 hours, or overnight will be much better. Chateaubriand looking nice, and it wasn't 8 hours, actually it was overnight. I let it rest in the fridge overnight, uncover like this. It feels like medium well cooked already. It's very firm. So let's put it on the side, and I'm gonna do some side vegetables and potatoes for it. Multicolor carrot, purple, white, yellow, and orange. And I have a tricolor baby potatoes. So let's start cutting the carrots first. So pretty much cut it a bite size. And of course the carrot was peeled and washed. And carrot in. A little bit olive oil. Salt and pepper. A little bit of garlic butter. You mix it very well. Preheat your oven on 400. You cover it with aluminum foil. And ready to go in the oven. Chateaubriand in the cast iron pan. The garlic butter right on top. Don't be shy on the butter. Put a lot of butter, that's fine, nothing wrong with it. And ready to go on the grill. Turn your Chateaubriand every 10 minutes or so you have equal cooking on each side. Thermometer reading 118 internal. This is the perfect time to remove it for a medium rare. But I like my Chateaubriand medium cooked, so I'm gonna finish it on an open flame. Lovely, look at this. Now it's ready. Let's baste it with the butter here. And ready to go inside. The rack on the frying pan, and I want to rest the steak. And the remaining butter, we're gonna paste it on top and let it drip to the frying pan to make our au jus. Now let's put it on the side, let it rest, and we're gonna check on the vegetables. Lovely, look at this. Give it a quick mix. Let's check it out. Perfect. So our vegetable good to go. And now we're gonna make the Chateaubriand sauce. Stove on medium, And that's where all the flavor. 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix it very well. You can see it start thickening up. Red wine, beef broth, little extra pepper. Let it simmer for a few minutes, and in the meantime we'll be slicing our Chateaubriand steak. Lovely. Wow, crispy from outside and super juicy inside. Look at this beautiful round medium. This is the way I eat my steak. A drizzle of the sauce we made, some potato and carrot. The moment of the truth. Wow, it's worth every minute we wait for it. It's crusty from the outside, juicy from the inside, unbelievable flavor. Now you know what to make for your romantic dinner. Chateaubriand, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.